Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. My name is Mohammad Ahsan, and today we have another perfume we are going to explore, that is Oud Nuit, Oud 36 Nuit from Al Haramain. So you can see the name on the box, and this is the box, and it's very difficult to open for the first time, and this is the back side. So on the front you can see we have something like this over here. This is the card kind of this plasticky this foam, light kind of foam. You just separate it like this, and then from over here you have to pull it like this, and so I have to, okay, so here we have, this is how it actually opens. Okay, so you can see the bottle inside. So if I open this side, you can see this is the bottle inside of Haramain, Al Haramain Oud Nuit. It's a round bottle. Let me show you the bottle now. Let's close this and keep it over here. For me it's a bit frustrating. To open this box at least, but I love the bottle. Bottle is very shiny and very elegantly designed. The top is kind of woody, kind of magnetic. This one is magnetic, so if you go like this, it is going to click in its place. Let's talk about the smell now. So I'm going to spray it, and I will show you how it actually smells. So let's spray it over here. It's difficult to hold it because it's very round and difficult to hold this one in the hand. So 2 sprays, very light kind of oud. I think it's very similar to some of the Swiss Arabian oud series, oud perfumes, oud-based and all these oud aswad. It is very similar to those, in the line of those perfumes. So if you like Swiss Arabian oud-based or oud aswad perfumes, this is the one you should buy, because I think the ingredients here are a bit much better quality, a lot of better quality than Swiss Arabian. Yes, it is Arabian in nature. I would say very little bit of spicy, little bit of fruity, a bit airy in the nature. It is not dry. It is wet, airy kind of perfume with some oudi vibes that are basically from white oud or white oud accord, oud abiyad, I think. Very nicely done. I think it is better than all the 3 series of Swiss Arabian. Very well done, very well done. Cardamom, I mostly don't like very high pitched cardamom in the perfumes, but this is really blended well. It is very well mixed with rose and oud kind of accord, although it is not the true oud but synthetic one, but it is not giving me any chemical vibe. My nose is very sensitive to harsh chemicals, because most of my family, my kids, they are allergic, including me, to harsh chemicals. So whenever I sense a chemical that is giving candy kind of or food chemical kind of scent, I really dislike that perfume. It must be blended well and it should smell like naturals. Really well done. The balance of oud, rose and cardamom here is really well done. This is, I think, if you like such kind of perfumes, Arabian sweet, rosy, oudi, cardamom kind of perfumes, this one, Al Haramain is the, I think, is the top one. I also bought the other version of this one, but my brother actually left it in UK. So whenever he comes next time, I think he will bring that. So for me, this Oud Nuit 36 Nuit is a lot better. I think I will wear it in winters mostly. I think you can pull this off in summers too, but in winters too. And I think it's unisex. Even women will love it. So it is a little bit of have some familiarity with the Boudica, Blue Sapphire, Boudica. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of those perfumes. Blue Sapphire or Rose Sapphire kind of vibes. Although they are a bit, you can say, high-end perfumes. This is not that much pricey. Yes, dry down is kind of the same. Rose Sapphire kind of dry down. Saffron is there, but it is in a very background now. It is not very prominent or very powdery, because saffron actually makes a perfume powdery. Yes, Cedar wood is also there, but in the background it is really well blended. You cannot tell different, you can say, different accords or different pinpoint different notes of this perfume easily. It is very well blended. Let me smell it from here, because I recently put the oud oil from over here, which is giving me something over here. Yes, let me spray it again. So let's get its vibe again to see how it is actually. Yes, it is really well done. It is a really well done perfume. Yes, it doesn't smell like a $80 or $90 perfume. I think it's available for $85 or $90 around, something like that. But the material over here and the blend is really nice. There is some sandalwood too with it. I really love how this actually clips back, a very powerful magnet. You don't have to place it back with some effort. Just leave it and it will stick over here. So this is the review from me about this Al Haramain. There are a lot of listed notes, that sandalwood, cedarwood, labdanum and all other things. I'm not sure how those other actually smell. Whatever I get, or I try to simplify the scent as much as I can. So it is a balanced, light, woody, rosy kind of, have some touch of oud in it, with little bit of spicy fruitiness. That is all. This is how I would describe it. Light, spicy fruitiness, light, woody oud, with some sweetness and some wood in the background, which is sandalwood and cedarwood. Not very woody or not very oudi. If you don't like oud oils, or you think they are very heavy to your nose, this is not one of them. Definitely an Arabic kind of scent, and mass pleasing. I think it would be mass pleasing and good for both men and women, unisex. So that is my review about this Al Haramain Oud Nuit 36 Nuit, Al Haramain Oud 36 Nuit. So that is all. If you like this video, do share it, subscribe it, and tell others about my YouTube channel. And I will come in the next video with another review, and we will explore more scents, and I will try to simplify as much as I can. Till then, I will leave you with the next video. Take care and bye bye.